In the heart of the 20th century, a dark shadow loomed over the globe. World War II had left indelible scars, and the international community sought a means to prevent such atrocities from reoccurring. The need for global justice became paramount. The stage was set in 1945 at the United Nations Conference on International Organization in San Francisco. Delegates from 50 nations gathered, each carrying the weight of their people's suffering. Amidst the tumult, a vision took shape, a court that would bring justice to those who committed the most heinous crimes against humanity. However, the road to justice was fraught with obstacles. The powerful nations, mired in their own ideological differences, seemed disinterested in creating a court that could encroach upon their sovereignty. Yet, a few persistent voices refused to be silenced. Among them was the charismatic Filipino diplomat, Carlos Romulo. He passionately advocated for a permanent international court, arguing that justice should not be subject to political whims. His heartfelt speeches echoed through the halls, and slowly, the tide began to turn. In 1948, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide. Though it was not a court, it was a significant step towards international justice. The seeds of the International Criminal Court had been sown. The next major push came in 1993, when the UN Security Council established the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia, ICTY, and the International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda, ICTR, to prosecute war crimes committed during their respective conflicts. These tribunals demonstrated the necessity and feasibility of international criminal justice. By the turn of the millennium, the world was ready for a permanent international court. In 1998, the Rome Statute was drafted, establishing the International Criminal Court, ICC. On July 1, 2002, the ICC officially came into being, located in The Hague, Netherlands. The ICC is a beacon of hope for victims of war crimes, crimes against humanity, genocide, and the crime of aggression. It stands as a testament to humanity's resolve to never again turn a blind eye to atrocities committed in the name of power and greed. Yet, the ICC's journey is not without controversy. Critics argue that it infringes upon national sovereignty, while supporters believe it is essential for global justice. Regardless, the ICC continues to strive towards its mission, bringing justice to those who have suffered, and sending a clear message: no one is above the law. In the grand tapestry of human history, the International Criminal Court stands as a symbol of hope, a testament to humanity's resilience, and a beacon of justice. It serves as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, the pursuit of truth and justice shall prevail.